Hi there, welcome to the channel. We thought we'd give you a little lowdown on our trip to France. So come and join us. So today we're doing a little video on what we thought about our trip to France. Some things that we've learnt, some things that we wouldn't do again, and some things we definitely would do again. So me and Juliet thought it's coming to the end of the holiday, so we'd have a quick chat about it. So first of all, we'll start with a trip from our house down to Portsmouth. Well, we got up early, didn't we?
Yeah, and had no traffic.
There was no traffic. We got up before
early.
we went to bed, to be honest with you. If you watch Monty Python, you know what I mean. But yeah, it was not a problem. We stayed in Southampton. That's one thing that we wouldn't do again.
No, I'd just go straight for the ferry. I'd just pick which day I'd go for the traffic instead go on.
And start early and just get down there.
Yeah.
And then go straight onto the ferry. We would not do an overnight stay again. That was one thing we did learn. The ferry, brilliant.
Yeah, we were fine. We did get a stop though, and the caravan was searched.
Yeah, they did search. They basically were looking for people, and they were also looking for anything illicit. But to be honest, the search was so quick. I just questioned why they bothered. But there you go. None of our paperwork was checked. No,
but we did hear people that was properly checked, and they stripped out and even off the caravan.
Yeah. Some poor people did get a full search. We were just lucky; it was just a cursory one. Now, moving on from that, the site.
Oh yeah. Well, site's really nice.
Yeah, this is a lovely site. It's I'll leave a link to it actually because I can't pronounce it and my French is garbage anyway. But it is a beautiful site. It's massive.
It is fully booked though. As soon as somebody leaves, somebody else is here. So it is very, very busy. It
is very busy. I mean, we got friendly with a Dutch couple just over the side of ours, and as soon as they left, a motorhome took its place, and it's just like that. It's been absolutely boiling. So the problem we've had is dust. Actually,
dust.
The dust gets everywhere.
You probably can't see much out of the caravan because it's filthy.
It is very dusty, and also I had to purchase Le Fly Squatter because there's quite a few wasps and flies.
We've been plagued with wasps, and that has been the Avanta. It's been brilliant. We've sat out and had our meals most times out.
Yeah, the Avanta has been brilliant. The screen house,
because otherwise you just continuously attacked by wasps all the time.
Yeah, it is. That's been a really good piece of kit. So we're glad we brought that. The pitch is absolutely huge.
Yeah, and I'm thinking, well, where's our bit? And no, it's all of yours. I'm like, okay.
So we have a front and a back garden because we've parked the caravan across the width of it, which is great. So we've put the screen house at the back where we have our meals and the dryer, and at the front we've got the car and we've got the sun canopy, and it's still got plenty of room. It's really big. We could put, a small tent on there.
Yeah, easy. Put a small tent. Yeah, definitely.
So we've been through to bits with the pitch. It's fully serviced, this one that we've got. The nightmare we've had is they've raised the drain, so it's been awkward draining off the actual water.
Every so often you've had to go out and lift it.
Yeah, I've tried all sorts of methods to do it, and I've just not succeeded. So we've been a bit disappointed with that. But other than that, we can't fault it, can we? Really?
I mean, we said it's. Yeah.
The Dutch guy every so often across the back here, he'll have loads of things on and he'll blow the circuit. So when that trip's up, then we have to wait then for them to come and do it because they've closed the box off, which is a bit inconvenient. You can't redo the trip switches, so there's that. We've had a couple of trips out.
We went to a museum. We said quite a few things that have been a distance, so we said some things we were going to go to. We said we changed because they were just too far and it's too hot to be going. So we went to the museum and
we saw the D-Day experience, which is at Caravan, and that's fantastic.
And it was suitable for Alfie. I mean, we enjoyed it as well, but it was understandable for
It was suitable for children as well. And then yesterday we actually went to a zoo, which is something me and Juliet haven't done for years.
No.
And we were very impressed. It weren't like a concrete box with a animal in it. It was set
Very
in
natural.
beautiful woodland, and it was fantastic.
Very shaded in some spots.
It was.
Very nice, and we had a lovely lunch out as
Yeah,
well.
we had lunch
we
there.
enjoyed that out, and Alfie went to the obligatory gift shop.
Yeah.
As you can see behind me.
The red panda.
Yeah.
So that's it, been it really. We've got another couple of days to go. We're going to go into Granville, which is
Again,
a big town.
We've been in today, and so we said we went round the port. We've been in there a couple of times. It's a nice town, very French. So I believe it is very nice.
We like it anyway. So we're going to
Yeah.
be going back tomorrow because Alfie wants to buy a few little prezzies for his mum and Simon and a few other people. So that's fine. So we're going to do that, and I've got to wash the car tomorrow as well because the car is absolutely filthy. It's just covered in dust. You just see there the dirt. So it's not brilliant, but there you go. It's one of them
It's been a
things.
really good holiday. The only thing is, I knew it was expensive, and having been to France before, but it is a lot more expensive.
Yeah, food in the supermarkets is expensive.
I mean, even the Netherlands couple said how expensive it was here, and it's not cheaper in the Netherlands.
No, so if they're calling it expensive, I'm definitely calling it expensive. But other than that, I mean, fuel-wise, we've not done too badly, have we?
No, it's not.
It's cost us. It's probably going to wind up costing us about 350 quid all in, which is not bad.
Going out and about, and
Yep.
and how far we've travelled has been really good.
Yeah. So all in all, we're quite thrilled with this. Would we come again? Yes, we would come again.
I would come again. I don't know to this particular site, but I would probably go to the other side of Normandy.
We'd probably come through Cherbourg next time
Yeah.
instead of Saint Malo, and go down the east side where all the museums are, because it's a little bit too far from where we are.
But that's be a trip for another time, I think.
That is a trip for another time. We've got other things planned for next year, something a bit different, but we'll see about that. We're just hoping that comes off. Well, I think that's about it really, isn't it?
It is, yeah, it is. So
Yeah.
hope you've enjoyed this video, and it's been helpful just to explain where we've been and what we've been doing.
Yep. And we'll see you again soon. But in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.